guys, how are you doing, you beautiful, gorgeous people of the web? And thank you, Placebo, for clicking on my channel. I've dragged Wes along today. You might have met him once or twice. Once or twice too many. Who knows?
I think it's too many. It's too many, isn't it, guys?
It's definitely too many. Even I have to have it in doses. Had to change the lock on my door twice. Yeah, so, guys, we are back once again with another reaction to The Extraordinary. 1 second, my alarm is going off. Shows it's live. That's what you get here. We're back once again with Diana Ankudinova, and today I'm going to be reacting to Blizzard, which I'm not sure. I've never seen this performance, but yeah, I'm looking forward to doing something brand new from Diana. If you were new to my channel, guys, click on my playlist and you'll see the journey that I've been on with this incredible, amazing princess of pop. Like, she's incredibly talented. Her voice just does something. Do you remember when we did that Rishenka song and you said it give you chills? Do you remember?
Yeah, it's kind of like put you in a trance, doesn't it?
Yeah, very mystical.
Yeah, like magical.
Yeah.
But like dark as well.
Yeah. Incredible. If you're new to my channel, guys, you've seen reaction videos before, please kindly subscribe below. Don't forget to give the video a like. Let's get into this. It's just, it doesn't matter how many times I watch it, I can never get over that comes out of her mouth.
I know, it's crazy, isn't it? That is a blizzard.
Wow. Her projection in her voice is absolutely amazing. Just how it just sounds so rich, so full. Like, you could never even critique her voice, because I think you just have to be in awe of her voice. You just have to say wow.
That was good. Yeah.
And I love how she loses herself on stage.
Yeah. Is this old though? Is it like?
I think.
Has she got a record deal?
I'm not sure. Well, does she got? Guys, does she have a record deal now?
I would like to know that, because, you know, everyone's going green for her. Wow.
Absolutely amazing. Yeah, she was 14 or 15 years old here, someone's written.
Oh, right, okay.
But to have a voice like that,
I know.
truly a gift, that.
Yeah, yeah.
Truly a gift.
Definitely.
But yeah, just how she loses herself on stage, and I know I said it to you guys quite a lot as well, but I feel like you could put her on the soundtrack to like Game of Thrones or House of Dragons or something.
Yeah.
She's got that kind of voice where if you watch an epic scene with all the dragons, she's got that kind of voice.
You could
where...
put on a dragon singing, you know what I mean?
There you go. But yeah, no guys, truly incredible. Like, you can never take your eyes off her because you can't help but just be mesmerised by how talented and unique she is. You fall into that world. It makes it hard to pause it because, like the judges, when you see them watching her, I feel like I'm also leaning over, kind of taking it all in as well, because she's just so like ethereal and oh, it's just amazing to watch. She's truly incredible.
Sick.
So if you guys are new to my channel, there's so much to catch up on in regards to my Diana and Ankudinova reactions. So placebo, thank you everyone for your support. If you are new guys, then smash that subscribe button below. Thank you everyone. Have a really beautiful weekend. Yeah, take care guys. Thank you so much. Bye, bye, bye.